Hi friends, my name is Omkar Dalvi and today's topic is what is programming, and today's date is 17 January 2024. What is programming? In today's world, we are heavily reliant to various software products. They were carefully programmed by developers. But what is programming? Computer programming. The definition of programming: a computer program consists a code that is executed on a computer to perform particular task. This code is written by programmers. Programming is a process of giving machines a set of instruction by describe how to program should be carried out. Programmers will spend their whole career learning a variety of programming languages and tools so they can effectively build computer programs. Programmers will by using a code editor or IDE to write what is called source code. This this is a collection of code written in programming language that other programmers can read. Source code need to be converted into machine language so machines can understand the instruction and execute the program. This process is convert source code into machine language in is known as compiling. Example of compile programming language would be C and C++. There are other languages that do not compile. Instead, this language will use interpreter that will read and execute the code. Example of interpreted programming language would be JavaScript and PHP. Once the code executed, then the computer program can run the different types of computers programs, including word processor, database system, video games, and website. These computer programs allow us to interact with different software devices and services like phones, website, and computer themselves. History of programming. Many historians believe uh, Ada's Lowe was the first to create a published computer program in 19th century. She was a mathematician who translated huge Fedro uh, writing returns on the athletic engine. In the translation, he had added her own extensive extensive notes and created a method for calculating Bernoulli numbers for the analytical engine. The work of mathematician Arnold Church as well as the Turing machine were the first in, introduction of computer codes. In 1920, computers were created, which was followed by the earliest programming languages. For the next century, as machines and technology continue to evolve, so did the number of programming languages. Types of programming languages. There are hundreds of programming languages in existence. Developers will first consider the need of application so they can decide which language would be appropriate the use. Here are a few popular programming languages: Python, JavaScript, C, C++, Java, C Sharp, Ruby, PHP. Some of these languages are primarily used in one field of development, while others are more general purpose programming languages. JavaScript is primarily used in web development and is usually the first programming language learned by beginner web developers. JavaScript can also used for mobile and game development. Python can be used in a variety of areas like data analysis, machine learning, and web development. Programming languages are grouped in a variety of categories. Here is a list of categories. Machine language, a low-level language that consists 0 to 1% one binary. High-level language are compiled into machine code. The code can be executed by computer. Assembly language, a low-level language that is compiled by assembler. Uh, Procedure language. This approach goes through a series of procedure before program is executed on computer. Scripting language. This language often times does not need to compile but rather interpret it. Functional language. This works with idea of building complex programmers through all the collection of smaller function. And last, object oriented language. This works with the area of building programs around the collection along the collection of objects. Uh, there are many more software and the languages to explore what we didn't cover the article. But this should give good start into the various types of programming languages. This is the information of programming languages. Thank you.